Hello all, my name is Kate and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a switch in the bags from my Dooney and Bourke to my fossil bag. Stay tuned. It's been a long time since I carried my Sydney fossil bag, a long time. And I thought, well, let's get her out. You know? So, okay, but before I get started, I've seen videos that talk about like the straps on bags that stick out like this and all that kind of stuff. They don't have any strap keepers, I guess you want to call it. I'm making that one up. So this is what I have been doing for a while now, probably at least a year, if not more. You've probably seen them on my bags. Let's take the little bag here, the little crossbody bag. It's the kind with the removable strap so you can make it, you know, shoulder length, but it doesn't have any of these keepers. So what I use, which I think I showed this to you guys already, the Fitbit band, I guess you would call them the band keepers on the wristband. I use those. That's what I've been using. So now, so you know, on my fossil bag, I've done the same thing. I hate how these things I hate how the straps just stick out like, I got it to tight fit like this, right? I can't, you know, sometimes they'll stick out like this, they get really curly. So this is a smaller Fitbit band. I think it's like the 14 millimeter. That one might have been the 18. I don't know. I don't know about the millimeter. I'm just guessing again. But I took the smaller one from I think it was called my Ulta Fitbit, the first one I had. I took one of the bands and just scooted up here. The problem was I had to get it over the clasp. But they're so stretchy. I stretched it over the clasp and over here. It was a little tough, but once I got it up to here, of course I was good to go. And this is going to forever stay there unless I find a red one. Then I'll switch it out. So that's how I get my straps to stay down, that they don't have a keeper. So I wish they would all have a keeper. I do agree. But, you know, it's just my little hack that I did. Every once in a while, I like to carry my big totes. I got several big totes. In the near future, I can't see me buying any more big totes. I'm more down to the medium to the small. But let's face it, I don't work anymore, ladies. I just go to the grocery store or maybe to like Hobby Lobby or Lowe's or stuff like that. I don't really need to carry a big bag. This is a medium bag to me. The Fossil Sydney bag. You see where it says Fossil? Is it starting to wear off? I don't know. And normally, trying to think if I have any other bags like this. I'll say stuff like that and then I have bags like it. Normally, I don't like these kind of handles. But I like the kind of the little hinges. I don't like straps that stand up. Now, everybody to each their own, right? To each their own. Don't mind that. I don't like handles up under my armpit. And I just don't like them like just standing there like, hello, here I am. That's just not me. But some people absolutely adore them, and that's great. It's great for them, but I don't. And I don't like these kind of handles either. Do I have another bag with these kind of handles? Probably. I also don't like a center zip. But yes, do I have a bag with center zips? Yes, I do. So, you know. Today I don't like this. Tomorrow I probably will. You know, I change my mind. It's my prerogative, right? Carry it like this by the handle or crossbody it all the time. All right, so let's get going. As you guys know, my last video, which I hope you guys watched it, to me, it was very entertaining. I had fun doing it. Downsizing, the struggles. Okay, anyway, if you haven't had a chance, watch that video. I think you'll get a good chuckle or laugh. I know you will. Okay, so I took everything out of here. I took what I absolutely needed. Or at least what I absolutely think I need. Which usually, if you take what you think you need, cut that in half, and that's what you need. So, and my other Vera Bradley pouch, which I use for a wallet. My blue Stronghold wallet, but that's it. This is all empty. All this stuff needs to go back. She'll go back in her dust bag to another day. Well, I will definitely carry it in the summertime because she's a beautiful summer bag. So, my stuff in this bag. Now her zippers, you can keep them at the top, which a lot of times I do, or you can put them to one side or the other. She opens up really well. Do you see the gussets on the side? So nothing will fall out. That's all just cotton. Let's just fill out of there. Okay, here is what I got in this bag. There's plenty I could put to fill her up. I could put a sweater in there, scarf in there. As you can see, she's only full on the bottom. So let's see what I got in this bag. Okay. First, as always, keys. My Redmond's Real Salt. My salt lick. Yes, this is really a mineral salt. Stone. Rock. You can suck on it or chew a little bit on it. It's good if you're like feeling kind of weak, you need some electrolytes. Don't judge me, because I chew on rocks. All right. For my glasses, I put them in this contour case. In case you didn't know there was glasses in there. And it's just by michaelkors. A nice little pink lining in there. My brightened change purse, and it caches my chain. It carries my chain and cash. Oh, it is open. And change down there and some cash. And she's just so squishy. See a little heart right there. I got this a long time ago. I'm going to say from eBay. When I tell you I could be totally wrong, I'm just trying to do a recall here. But this is such a nice little change purse. I love it. Always will have it in my collection forever and a day. I've decided to put my little michaelkors key clay or key case, attach it to my little key keeper here, which they have a very short key keeper in the fossil bags. What I use this for is my loyalty cards. You know, that's hanging on a chain, you know, stuff like that. RFID protected, E-Me-Too, all leather, RFID protected for my cards. I have this one, and yes, I found the other one. So I have like a blush and the black. So it goes basically with every bag, which black goes with everything anyway. I love the hardware in here. It's so substantial. A couple more of these. Really like them. Actually, went up in price. When I bought these, like $13. I think they're like $15 now. I told my daughter she wanted some. I said, you better get them. Better get them before the price goes up. And last but not least, Patricia Nash. Love her stuff. And this is, how long? This is about I want to say 8.5 inches long. So it has no problem fitting this bag and goes great because of the red. It goes great with this bag, I think. So let's put it all in. Right here's my cell phone. My real cell phone. She doesn't go all the way in, but I can actually put her in the bag if I want to. But so I got a 6S Plus. Yes, I'm the only one who hasn't upgraded. She works. I mean, the cell phone I had in my last video, I think you ladies all know it doesn't work. But I also have, I got all different models. Remember this, the slide? And my favorite, my personal favorite for way back when, in the early 2000s, is the flip phone. Scotty, beat me up. Anyway, okay, moving on. Here's what she looks like inside. See the little key leash? I mean, they don't give you much of a key leash. You got some pockets here, a pocket here. You got a zipper pocket back here, and you got these little card slots. What is it for? 1, 2, 3. It holds 6. See? I don't use that unless, because you know how I am with the RFID. For me, they never get used. But look how wide this thing is. You can get down into this bag with no problem. All right, let's put everything back. First, the Patricia Nash. Let me do my sunglasses. Key case. I'll put it up here with my salt. My Redmond's real salt. My salt lick. Look like a horse. Put that back in a little card case. I mean, the little card area where you put your cards if you're going to put them there. Me too. We'll put this back on this little key leash. This little key leash. I do like how it has a, let me get a hold of it. I do like how it has the gold finish on it, that nice shiny gold finish on this. It matches the gold finish on my little michaelkors key case. My brightened. Okay. Plenty of room on top to put things. She might be 3 pounds. One of these days I have to bring a scale up here. She might be 3 pounds. But, especially if I put my cell phone in there. Oh yeah. All right. So this is my Fossil Sydney bag in red. Should probably wax paper the zipper. It's been a long time since I've been in this bag. I'm still doing good. It just feels a little hesitant. Plus she's awfully broken in. All right, so here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed switching to the bags. Like I said, if you have any of those, actually you can use rubber bands. You could use twist ties if you wanted to. But if you have any of those little bands from your Fitbit, they'll work as a little keeper. Just try to get the ones that match in color, but I don't really care. You can always get clear. The clear ones will go with anything. So I hope you like my switching bags and what's in my bag. And I'll talk to you all later. I will have another video coming this week. Probably not too, maybe close to the end of the week. We'll see, guys. Bye for now. It's been a while. But, you know, I just want blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah.